Hello students, today we are going to learn about a program 7. The problem statement is like this. Write a PHP program to display a digital clock which displays the current time of the server. In this sense, we have to display the current Indian time. Okay, the servers will be of a different locations, but we have to make use of current type of Indian servers. So now the program states like this. First we have to write with your HTML. Now I'm incorporating the PHP program in an HTML/HTML. Under this HTML, directly I'm going to incorporate a body part. Under this body part, I'm going to make use of one tag which is called as a meta content. So why we are going to make use this meta content in the sense, for every second our time will be changing. So we have to refresh our page for every 1 second. So to make use of this refreshing of a page, I'm going to make use of the statement meta http hyphen eqiv is equal to, in double quotes, I'm going to make use of refresh, along with refresh, where content is equal to 1. For every 1 second, I'm saying that to refresh my page. This is the statement states. Now, I'm going to incorporate a PHP part now. So, the PHP starts with your less than symbol, question mark and PHP keyword, and closing of my question mark and closing of your parenthesis. Now, within this PHP, now we have to write a code which you need to display a digital clock. So now what I'm going to do, as I've said that we have to print the Indian time, and that too we have to make use of current time of the server. So our Indian time, or for our particulars for the state, we are going to make use of Asia Kolkata. So to write the statement, where we have a one method which is called as date underscore default default FAULT default underscore time zone underscore. Now I have set open and close parenthesis. Within this parenthesis, now I have to specify which area time I have to display. So I am going to write it Asia or Kolkata. Asia or Kolkata. I am going to specify. So now we are going to represent the now India times. Now last I will be giving a semicolon. Now echo. Echo is used for displaying the statement on a web page. Echo, the time is space colon space closing of my double quotes dot. Now I'm going to call a date method here. Date open and close parenthesis. In this date method, I have to pass three parameters. One is for hour colon minutes colon S for seconds, and then I'll be representing here A. So H stands for hours, I stands for minutes, S stands for seconds, and A stands for whether it is an AM or PM. That will be representing here. Okay, now I'll give a semicolon here. Done. Now echo. I'll be using a new slash here. Now echo. Now I'll be printing the date of the particular month. The date is colon space closing of my double quotes dot. The same method we have to make use of. Date. Within this date method, we have to pass three parameters. One is date, month, and year. That's it. D stands for date, M stands for month, and Y stands for year. And give semicolon. Now I'll be saving this code. Save this code. So where you have to save? You have to save it in the htdocs. Htdocs folder will present in an exam folder. So here is my exam folder. Under the exam, okay, sorry. Already I'm in a exam. You can check it out here. Already I'm in XAMPP htdocs. Under this htdocs, I'm going to I'll be storing the file. So my file name is time.php, I will say. Now I have saved the code. Now if I want to execute in the web browser, first we have to start the server. So already we have started the server. So now directly go to your Chrome browser. Now here you can execute your program. So localhost and time.php run. See here you can check it out. Here the time is exact. The time is here you can check it out. The time is 5:27, 5 hours 27 and 45 seconds PM. Now here you can check it out. Every time the page is refreshing. Every time the page is refreshing. Here you can check it out here. Every time the page is refreshing. And next the date is 18/7/21. We got it. 18/7/21. This is all about your how to display a digital clock and time of your server. Thank you.